is up, you guys? It is your girl Sierra, and I am back with another work from home video. So if you guys are interested in this type of content, you're looking for remote work, make sure you guys do go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so you know each and every time I post. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So today we're talking about a company called Omni Interactions. So Omni Interactions has actually been around for quite some time. They do hire gig workers, so of course you would have to have a 1099 so that you can file your taxes at the end of the year, and you do have to pay for a background check, but it's okay because once you start working, you're going to be making money, so the $25 for the background check is not going to be a big deal. I have worked for this company before, so it's definitely a legitimate company. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the industries that Omni Interactions supports. So they do support the retail industry, the financial services industry, and the healthcare industry. So those would be some of the customer service jobs that you'd be taking, the customer service phone calls that you would be taking in this remote position. So let's get into a little bit more in depth about what you would have to do to go ahead and get into their system and apply. So with Omni, of course, we talked about how you can work when you want and where you want. But once the job is done, you'll have actual freedom. You'll make as much money as you want, build your own schedule, and pick your own hours. So say goodbye to the 9 to 5. So with Omni, they have many contracts you can choose from and earn up to $20 per hour, which is awesome. And just imagine the fact that you also have unlimited hours. So you could potentially work 50 hours one week and 20 hours the next week, or 30 hours one week and 40 hours the next week. So here are some of the requirements that they are looking for. The basic requirements are going to be a noise-free environment, personal computer running Windows 11. Now, some contracts still accept Windows 10, and a 1.6 gigahertz processor with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 40 gigabytes of free space. And there are going to be a few contracts that do take Apple computers. You do want to make sure you have a noise canceling USB headset. You're hardwired to an Ethernet connection, so you cannot use Wi-Fi. So you just want to make sure how your office is set up that you do have that Ethernet connection going directly into your modem to your computer with 10 megabytes of download and 5 megabytes of upload minimum. Now, here are the steps that you need to take in order to work for Omni. So the first step is meeting the requirements, of course, for the computer setup. And the second step is once you get in, you filled out your application, you know that your computer meets the requirements, you would go in and you would pick from the available projects that they have once you're able to log into the system. So there is some FAQs, which I will leave a link to this down in the description box below. And I'll also leave a link to apply for Omni Interactions as well. You can go through these FAQs and you can see all of the different things that you can get help with, like logging in, creating a profile and applying to new jobs, updating and submitting your information, searching for a new remote job, managing your remote job notifications and communications, or if you forgot your password. So there's a lot of information on this page that you definitely want to make sure you go through so that if for some reason you need help with this, once you do get hired with the company, you know exactly where to find it. All right, you guys, so that is really it for this video. I just wanted to go over this to let you know that this does exist and you do not have to worry about working these jobs where you are working remote, but you're still working, 9 to 5 or 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. At least you have a lot more time freedom and you're able to get a lot more things done. As always, I want to thank you guys for checking out the video. If this is not the type of work you're looking for and you're looking more for a non-phone remote job, make sure you check out my non-phone ebook. There's 300 non-phone jobs in this ebook, so make sure you guys check it out. It's only available for a limited time, and it's going to be in the description box below. But thank you so much once again for watching this video, and I am out. Peace.